in front of me is DOOGEE V20, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation on this device. First of all, go into tab menu. Now you need to look for auto rotate icon, and when you find it, just click on it. As you can see, mine is gray. That means that auto rotation is off. If you wish to turn it back on, you can do that by tapping on the same icon. You can also go into devices settings and tap on display. Now scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to auto rotate screen. If it's gray, that means that auto rotation is disabled. If you wish to enable it, just click on the switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!